Good morning, Vidyarthi Mitro. I myself, Jaideep Patel from Engineer. Today we are here to learn about the life process, which is chapter number 6 of Standard 10 biology portion. So I will teach you about life process. So let us see what is life process. How can we define animal is living? If we see that animal is running or breathing, we can say that it is living. It grows, then we say that it is living. Same way how we can identify that the plants are living. So when we see that small plants grown up, we say that they are living. But living things shows very small and very slow process of reaction inside them, right? The process is very slow and it takes place inside the cell. We all know that plant is there. Cell, first of all, cell joins together and forms the tissue. Tissue combines together and forms the tissue system. Then it forms the organ. Organ forms the organ system, and by this way the whole system is going to work. But inside the tissue or inside the cell, there are very minute small components are there, and that components are working, and because of that only they get the energy. So to get energy we need the food, right? In life process we can see that even if we are not doing anything, if we are sitting simply or we are sitting idly in our chair, then also the process are going on inside our body. Suppose digestion, breathing, these all are the processes which are invisible to us, right? We cannot see them, but still they are going inside in our body. So as these processes are going inside in our body, we need energy to run that processes, right? Without energy that processes cannot be done. So for that the energy comes from the food which we eat. So from the food we get the energy. Now let us see how we get the energy. So that is my first topic is about nutrition. First topic is about nutrition. So what is meant by this nutrition? So nutrition means to get the energy, right? To get the energy, and that energy is obtained from the food. So to get the energy, and this energy is obtained from food. This energy is obtained from food. Now for what purpose this energy is required? To get done all biological process inside the body, inside the body of organism, inside the body of organism. Now this nutrition is of two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. So first one is autotrophic nutrition, number one, and number two, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic as well as heterotrophic nutrition. So now let's see what is meant by autotrophic nutrition. We all know that in autotrophic nutrition means the plants are considered as an autotroph, which can prepare their food material by themselves, right? Plants are considered as an autotroph. Here example is plants, and here heterotrophs example is animals, right? So autotroph means prepare food by themselves. Prepare food by themselves, right? And heterotroph means cannot prepare themselves, right? So these are the main difference between the autotrophic as well as the heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition, the plants are there which can prepare their own food by themselves. How this own food plant can prepare? So we all know that the process by the help of photosynthesis. So plants prepare the food by a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So this is the photosynthesis. Now what is the photosynthesis? So green plant prepare their own food with the help of using sunlight, carbon dioxide, air and water. So this is the basic, or we can say this is a common definition for the photosynthesis, which you all have studied in standard 8 also, 9 also. Now we have to see this photosynthesis process little bit detail in this. How this photosynthesis process works? So sunlight, air, water and green plants. So what does the green plant contain? So green plant contains chlorophyll inside them, and that chlorophyll is present inside the chloroplast. So when you observe the plant, leaf of a plant under the microscope, you can see number of stomata. Stomata, like this way you can see the number of stomata inside the leaf. So this stomata, this small pore is there, right? And due to that pores, the air as well as the water comes out and goes inside. For that, the process is inspiration and expiration, right? So this all process are related to the autotrophic nutrition. Now we will see about heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition means they cannot prepare their food by themselves. So we, the animal, human beings, all comes under the heterotrophic. They cannot prepare their own food material by themselves because they do not contain chlorophyll. So basically they depends directly or indirectly upon plants for their food requirement, right? So heterotrophic nutrition animal are there, example, and they cannot prepare their food by themselves. So hope you all might have understand this topic, nutrition as well as autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. You can see inside the textbook, and if any doubt you can contact me or you can call me. Thanks.